Mhm. Am I live? I'm live. Hello, everybody. What's happening? Okay, I think there is some technical glitch, so I'm just waiting for it to get better. Yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for a few people to come and then we can start talking about what we're all up to. Till then, I'll show you my view behind. I now live in Khar, so I have a beautiful view of Khar and Bandra. Oh, hello, hello, hello. People have started coming. Hi, Jagmeet. Hi, Janam. I love you. Hello, Konark Sharma. I love you too. Some people asking me where I am now. I'm in my house. I'm in my bedroom. I will not show you much. But yes, I'm in my house right now. And of course, I'm also quarantined just like you all. Um, the quarantine has been a big leveler in all our lives. I think we all take life and freedom for granted. And, we all think about life as something that we are all blessed with, and nothing ever goes wrong. We don't realize that anything can happen in life at any given time, and lives can change forever very quickly. So I hope coronavirus doesn't lead to our lives changing that drastically, and I hope we all come out of this stronger. I hope we all come out of this wiser. For me personally, I think I'm just gonna come out of this lockdown with so much more love for everyone around me. My friends, my family. They're doing so much for me because I live alone and I don't have much help. So, for example, I never used to cook at all. Now I try and cook very little. My friends have to send me food, and I have to try and eat as healthy as possible, which is challenging sometimes. So they are helping me a lot, and it really makes a difference when you have important people. And I'm very jealous of people who are quarantined with their family or friends because they have so much to do. But I think I'll come out of this stronger. So that is why I thought I would come online and मैं आप लोगों से मिलूं and talk about how this lockdown has affected us, and हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं to remain fit, to remain healthy. Physical fitness and mental fitness both are very important. So it's crucial that we take care of how we come out of this lockdown. So I really wanted to come online and know what you guys are up to, what you all are doing to keep fit, what you all are doing to keep healthy. I'm going to get a little more comfortable. Okay. Okay, so there are some very cool questions coming in which I want to start answering. And of course, the first one is Jyoti. Jyoti, I see you. Belated happy birthday. Jyoti is one of my very, very special fans, and she always gives me a lot of love. Okay, we are a lot of people here. Now let's start answering some questions. Somebody saying, are you cooking? Which dishes would you like to cook? So I must confess, I am not a chef by any standards. I think I live a typical bachelor's life where, somebody cooks for me and I simply eat. But I think the quarantine has really given me a little bit of a reality check where I realize I should have known how to cook. But there are lots of friends and family members who are helping out and helping me keep nourished. I can do really easy stuff. For example, make coffee. Especially like for example dalgona coffee, which is going on Instagram so much. It's something that I like doing. I like beating coffee. My mom used to make me beat that coffee when I was a child, and it's just brought back childhood memories. But yes, I'm trying to keep as fit as possible by not using sugar in the coffee. I know that, Dalgona coffee takes a lot of sugar in, and I try and use sugar free. As you know, I'm all associated with the sugar free, and it is actually their suggestion for me to do this live today, and make everybody a little more aware of how we can make sure that we are fit at home and not eat too much sugar, and not really treat this like a holiday in which we can all be responsible about our health. And one of the very, very key things, hi Taiba, one of the very key things to be done is to replace sugar completely in my life. And I try and use sugar free and sugar free green, especially. Just open this. So yeah, it's, oh, somebody has sent a crying baby photo. Please don't cry, Anuj. Okay, so I have another phone which I'm going to use, just because I made some notes, and I wanted to make those notes to know what to speak to you guys. Oh, there are so many questions. Sorry. I'm going to come to all these questions in like 5 minutes. I just want to make sure that, the reason that I'm here gets covered, which is to spread a better message about fitness and mental health. And also a very, very important thing, which is to replace sugar completely. Please replace sugar in your life. I know a lot of people think that some dishes can be made only with sugar and nothing else, and there is no replacement. But here I am to tell you that sugar free is the best replacement that you will find. You can make cakes, you can make coffee, you can make brownies, you can make whatever unhealthy desserts that you want to make. You can make them all with sugar free. Whatever you want to do, you can do. So why not make this very, very small step in your life, which will really help in maintaining your health. Okay, I cannot ignore these questions anymore. Let's get to it. Okay, so BT Sen is saying, Pariniti, I'm waiting for you to be a part of a new musical film. I think all Bollywood films are musicals. I think there are songs everywhere, but I know what you mean. I used to do a lot of plays when I was growing up, a lot of musicals. I did Fiddler on the Roof, and I did The Sound of Music, and I did so many, actually. Now I'm blanking. And because I used to be a singer, I always used to be cast in one of the lead roles, only because I used to be able to sing songs, and I was the only heroine who could do it in school. I think so. My schoolmates are going to kill me. But yeah, I was always, part of the select few who used to make it to the lead characters of the play, because I could sing. So yeah, we should do something like that in India. Actually, if there's something like Broadway that comes to India, I know there is Taj Express, which is done by Shruti Merchant, which I have seen actually, and it's brilliant. But something like that, I would love to be a part of. From where do you arrange your daily needs? So, actually, my manager Neha, who is also a very, very close friend of mine, she helps me a lot, because I've started calling her the Jugadu of this quarantine, because she makes sure that my house is fully stocked. She helps, trying to get whatever I'm craving or whatever I need for, like fruits or vegetables, whatever I need. She makes sure that, I get it. Somebody called Shron is asking, what are the exercises that you do at home? See, it is very important to always be honest. And I must say that this quarantine has made all of us a little lazy, including me. I am here in my bedroom, and I just want to, sleep all day, or I just want to rest all day, and I don't want to, move out of my house. But it is very important to stay fit. Can I tell you a trick? Doing housework is the best exercise. You should give your moms and your house helps a break, and you should offer to clean your entire house, mopping the whole house, jhadu of the whole house, watering your plants, as you can see, watering all your plants, washing your dishes can be such good exercise. It is not a replacement to real exercise, but it is very good exercise. So if I know a lot of people out there, a lot of actors can give you a lot of suggestions on what exercises to do at home, but I don't want to be boring. I will just tell you, do the housework. Have you ever tried watering plants for 45 minutes? Have you ever tried scrubbing the floor, sitting on the floor, squatting on the floor, and then doing duck walk and then cleaning the floor? That can be very good exercise. Um, if you're in your bed, just make a rule. Just play a little game with yourself. Every time I have to go to the bathroom, I have to do 50 skips. Or every time I go to the kitchen, I'm going to do 10 jumping jacks. Play games with yourself. That will make it fun, because the only thing we can do is try and make this quarantine as positive and fun as possible, because this is something we have to do. We have to stay home and we have to stay safe. So this is the best way to do it. Ambika is here. Hi, Ambika. You are my biggest inspiration. No, you guys are my inspiration. I'm not your inspiration. You guys give me so much love that it makes me want to do better and it makes me want to be a better actress. Any projects coming up for you post the quarantine? This is Prima D'Souza. I'm sorry if I've pronounced it wrong. But yes, absolutely. I have 3 films lined up which are absolutely ready and just ready to release. Sandeep Aur Pinky Farrar, Girl on the Train, and Saina. But unfortunately, we couldn't release 2 of those films, Girl on the Train and Sandeep Aur Pinky Farrar, because we are right now in the lockdown. So the moment that is done, Siddhi Nigvekar is here and she says, I'm from Andheri and I love you. Hi Siddhi, I'm from Bandra and I love you too. It is so cute. Okay, quickly, can I ask you which is your favorite dish and not a healthy one? I like these kind of questions. Sachin Mathur is asking me what is my favorite unhealthy dish. It's something my mom makes. It's called biscuit pudding, and it's made with like plain biscuits and custard and slight little bit of coffee. It is the best homemade pudding I've ever eaten, and I have tried to learn it from her. I'm a big disaster. As you know, guys, I'm a very bad cook. But I try to cook that sometimes when I'm really, really craving things. My outside view is really beautiful. Thank you so much. I love it too. This is just a small part of it, but yes, I have a lot of greenery and a lot of plants because I've grown up in Ambala where there's a lot of greenery around my house, and I like to have that here also. And now the flowers have also started coming on the plants. Okay, recipe for the world's most amazing biscuit pudding, please. You're making me sound like a chef. As you know, I am not a chef. मानो कि हम यार नहीं, लो तय है कि प्यार नहीं. Jibin Joseph wanted me to sing a couple of lines from Mana Ke Hum Yaar Nahi, so there you go. Harshita Vaishnav, I love you, Parinidhi. It was good to bump into you during What the Love. Hope you remember me. Of course I remember you, Harshita. How can I ever forget you? I meet you. Do I meet you twice a year? I meet you a lot. I love you. This is a very, very good question. Abhishek Jain is saying, how do you control hunger at home, doing nothing and just eating? Honestly, can I tell you, this is what is happening with most people during the quarantine. Snacking has become a very normal thing because, as you said, we don't have much to do and we're just sitting at home and all we want to do is watch TV and be lazy and keep snacking. This is why I'm saying that we can make small steps, small changes in our lifestyle that can really make all the difference. For example, I'm telling you the biggest thing that you can do is, a lot of you have tea and coffee and cakes and brownies, and you guys are making these all sort of home recipes which sometimes can be unhealthy. For example, you can replace sugar. That's the first thing that you can do. Sugar is, honestly, I find it to be worse than a drug. It is required in many foods, but I consider it to be super unhealthy, and that is because everybody will tell you it's super unhealthy. And if you just simply replace all the sugar, you don't even realize how much sugar you're having in the day. If you have 2 cups of coffee, that's 2 spoons of sugar, if you have anything else, if you have a cake, you have a brownie, you end up, a normal person even ends up having up to 10 spoons of sugar a day, which is just simply not healthy. So I think you can make small changes and really make the difference in your life, and you will see how easy it is to remain unfit. Remain fit. What am I saying? Sorry, I got distracted by changing the frame. Okay, some people are saying the light is a bit weak. So, is this better, guys? Is this better? Okay. Okay. So, I'm really taking a lot of questions. I can see a lot of questions coming in for sugar replacement, which if for those who are tuning in now, we are talking a lot about how sugar is not the best thing, and how you should do simple exercises and simple things at home to really remain fit, because the worst thing will be if we come out of this quarantine and none of our clothes fit. That's going to be really bad. So girls and boys, be fit. Okay. Okay, so a very important thing which I do not want to forget is that Sugar Free and I have come up with an amazing contest, and we really want all of you to participate. I have made the notes here on my other phone. So I'm going to read from here. So we have a fun-filled contest. Hashtag stay home, stay fit. Hashtag stay home, stay fit. And this is for all you cooking enthusiasts out there. So as you guys know, I am not a cook, but most of you are, and most of you are really budding cooks in this time. So the contest is, make your favorite recipe using sugar-free green. Like I said, I've been using sugar-free in my Dalgona coffee, and I've been using it in some of the cakes that I've been baking, and it really tastes the same and makes such a difference to your fitness. So why don't you guys make a few dishes, hashtag stay home, stay fit, and if I like it, guess what you will win? You will win a lunch date with Sanjeev Kapoor ji. And for a cooking enthusiast, I don't think the prize gets any bigger. So please make sure you participate. I'll tell you how to participate. I'm gonna put down some description after I finish this live. I'm gonna put some description. I'm gonna explain how you guys can enter this contest and how you guys can win this lunch date. And who knows, I might crash this date. Okay. Somebody's saying, talking about sugar, this live session is really peaking my insulin level. Mine too, actually. Suddenly, I'm feeling really, really happy. Love from Pakistan. Hi, Paras. Thank you so much for all the love. Anjali saying, I love your and Arjun Kapoor's jodi very much. Thank you. Me too. God bless you. Thank you, Armed Force. There's a question that has come saying, have you ever met someone who used to have lots of sugar and now that person doesn't take sugar at all? If such a person exists, then I'm really impressed, because I think sugar is the worst thing for you, and if you are going to take 5 spoons of sugar in your coffee, it's not going to help your health. So please switch to sugar free immediately. That is what my association is about. That is what I am trying to spread awareness about. So please ditch the sugar now. Okay. Favorite series in these lockdown, favorite healthy drink. My favorite healthy drink is a few actually. Just this morning I had coconut water, which is very, very healthy for you and very tasty, cools down the system. And favorite series, there are too many. Game of Thrones, Narcos, Newsroom, Lost, Prison Break, The Good Wife, Suits. There's unlimited amount of series, and I'm having so much fun just sitting on my couch under a blanket and just catching up on all the shows. Lots of love from Tanzania. Hi guys. Show us the view from the balcony. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? I can't show you my whole house. I shall not show you my whole house. Please sing my favorite song. Good evening, love from West Bengal. Hi, Rahul from West Bengal. I love your and Siddharth Malhotra's jodi. Yes, very much. I was just talking to Sid I think yesterday or day before, and a song of ours was coming on TV, and we were just discussing how we've had amazing luck with our music. Sid and I, in Hasi To Fasi as well as Jabariya Jodi, we had a cracking album for both films, so we're very happy with the kind of music that we get. Please just say hi, Taiba. Taiba, how can I forget you? Hi, Taiba. Sunita Agarwal is saying, I eat lots of sugar, but today after watching this session, no sugar at all. I just said 2 minutes ago, you have to ditch the sugar. Sugar is very, 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 very unhealthy. You cannot, I don't want to use wrong words, otherwise it'll become a wrong headline, but it is dash bad. Do you pass time by making video calls with your friends? Yes! Yes, I have to charge my phone 3 times a day because of the number of video calls I do all day. That's all I do. But that's also the way I feel closer to my people, because I'm not getting to see them every day. So I just make video calls to them so that I feel like I'm close, like the way I am with you guys. Okay, that was creepy. Kriti Tata says, do another shoot like Built That Way after quarantine. I like this idea very much. Built That Way too. Okay, I shall be informing my team. This is a very good idea. I like it. For which co-actors did you interact most during the quarantine? All of them. I'm in touch with most of them. I've been playing, I played Ludo with Badshah. Badshah defeated me. I played a game of Ludo with him, so it's been fun. Your smile is very pretty. I love you. Thank you, Sukhmeet. Are you a real life character, Bindu? I just watched Money Heist. Me too. I watched Money Heist too, and I thought season 4 was okay. I loved season 1 and season 2. Okay, Yasmin is saying, I have ditched sugar in my hot drinks and I use honey now. I love organic honey. That is a great idea, Yasmin. Replacements like this are really, really important. I personally have a shelf which is only full of my sugar-free products. I have sugar-free green, I have normal sugar-free, and I never used to understand. My mom has used sugar-free since years. So I've been seeing it since years and I never understood till I had somebody explain it to me and I got the awareness of how bad sugar really is for you and how much of sugar we end up eating in the day without realizing. And from that day, I have kept sugar-free bottles in my cupboard, and I always have my supply coming in from my sugar-free family. And that's how I make sure that, my real sugar in my house is not used. How was your lockdown and social media detox? Arisa, I really wanted a social media detox so badly because I was on Instagram. I remember, our phones have an app where they show how many hours you're spending on social media. And on one of the days, when I didn't even realize, they showed me 10 hours, and that really gave me a shock. And that made me realize that I'm awake for only, 16 hours a day. And out of that 10 hours, I'm on social media. And that's very, very sad. Whereas I should be using this quarantine by, making sure I'm, talking to my family, my friends, doing my puzzles, which I love doing, reading my books, watching shows, the stuff that I really don't get time to do otherwise. I really need to treat this quarantine as a blessing for all the things that I don't get to do. So yeah, that's why I took that detox, and it really helped me. Today is the first day I've broken the detox, and I've gone on social media, and it's making me feel so good. I'm feeling so fresh today. Okay, last 2 minutes, guys. I gotta go. I have to go because there's so much to do at home. Like I said, I found so many activities. I will take the most exciting questions. If there is a new game, say you are tired of playing Ludo. So I have actually opened another jigsaw puzzle today, which is a 3,000 piece jigsaw puzzle. Anybody who follows me on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter knows that I've been puzzling a lot. So I've opened a new puzzle and I'm going to go right now and go back to it and finish it. Malik Sohail, will you marry me? I'm from Pakistan. Right now I'm in lockdown, so I will not be able to leave my house, but maybe we'll talk after the lockdown. Gurpreet Chabra, you must practice singing more. Your voice is a delight. So sweet, Gurpreet. Thank you so much. Parth Sethia says, do you feel sometimes your personal life is not really personal? Yes. For actors, personal life is not personal. There is always people around you and your fans that will know everything about your life. But I wouldn't have it any other way. You know, I've chosen this profession because I love this profession and I love to be, connected to fans all over. So, yeah, I would not have it any other way. I try and keep my love life as personal as I can, but of course, my closest friends and my family always know about it. Alrighty, I'm almost done. I'm just gonna give you a quick reminder about the contest. The contest is stay home, stay fit. And all you cooks out there who are budding chefs during this quarantine, please make some recipes with sugar-free green. And I'm gonna take a look at those recipes, and I love those recipes. I'm gonna try it also. If I like it, you win a lunch date with Sanjeev Kapoorji, who is a lovely, lovely human being. I love him. We are all part of the sugar-free family, and we're so happily part of it for so many years. And I hope all of you switch from ditching that sugar, go to the kitchen and tell your mom and tell your help not to use sugar in any of dishes, and you will be healthier. Bye, guys. There are so many amazing questions. I can do this for hours, but I really have to go. I have so much to do. I have to clean my house. I have to wash some dishes. I have to go and watch some Netflix shows. But we're doing another live on the 27th of April and on the 2nd of May. So all those who missed today, I hope you'll join me that day. And I will see you soon. And goodbye from me, my bedroom, my balcony. Bye, everybody. Stay home, stay fit.